Okay, so this is from a Mennonite cookbook. On the top, you see some sourdough bread mixed with some organic unsalted butter. We have white onion, paprika, garlic powder, cheddar cheese, red potatoes on the bottom, and pimento peppers. I'm going to top this with some fresh parsley. So I'm not finished mincing up the parsley, but I'm going to use Italian parsley just because it's very fragrant as you mince it. This will be the topping. You can garnish this afterwards, but I kind of want to cook it together. You can do it your way if you want, but I'm going to include it so that it roasts a little bit. Alright, the parsley is on. We're going to put this in the oven. Okay, mashallah, the cheese is melted. The butter has mixed with the bread. Looks really good. I'll scoop into it and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what they look like plated. Very cheesy dish, very wholesome. The aroma is fantastic. The onions are going to be pretty nice. You could saute them first and then put it, or, grill them. That's up to you. But very wholesome. Very wholesome. Very colorful as well, I must say. Okay, and then this is what it looks like when you scoop it, right? There you go. I hope you try it as well.